Hey everybody, welcome to Cryptobay's market review video for today, May 7th. My name is John, and obviously not my saying this video is financial advice. So the big news of today was the Ethereum meeting, which was meant to be happening between the SEC and CFTC to determine whether Ethereum is a security, didn't go ahead and was seemingly just speculation by the media. So Ethereum seen some huge plummets over the weekend, dropping its price by about 12%. But it turns out that there was going to be no meeting at all today to determine whether Ethereum was a security, and prices came back up on response to this. In terms of the overall markets, we're seeing a lot of red today. Trading volume has dropped 40% since last week, and most coins are in the red, with the exception of EOS holding its ground quite well. The overall market cap has lost quite a bit, currently at 442 billion, 24-hour volume at 25 billion, and Bitcoin dominance at 36.3%. So on the left we have the Bitcoin weekly chart, on the right we have the daily. We've seen quite a drop over the past couple of days. On the weekly chart, we're still looking bearish, forming lower lows and lower highs. But on all other time frames, it's looking quite good. We're forming higher highs and higher lows. With Bitcoin's drop, price action managed to trade below the 13 exponential moving average, but was pushed back up. I believe the reason for this drop is it was near the 10k mark, but there was such a drop in volume that it just didn't have the push to get back over the mark. So there was quite a bounce once it went under the 13 exponential moving average. So I would imagine price will climb back up near the 10k mark and try again and see if enough buyers can accumulate to push it over this mark. With Ethereum, on the left we have the daily chart, on the right we have the hourly. Obviously we've seen a huge plummet of 12% from about the 820 mark to 700 USD mark. Pretty much in response to speculation of this meeting. And then when it came out that this meeting wasn't happening, we've seen price buyers accumulate and price rally up to about the 760 mark. So pretty much tracing back about half of its losses so far, and there's decent enough volume, so it looks like it has a bit further to go. EOS has been the big exception in the top 10 coins. Despite the whole market plummeting, EOS has managed to hold its price. And with the mainnet launch coming in June, I'd imagine EOS will get a lot of media attention, and obviously it will bring a lot into investors' eyes. So I can only really see the price action going up over the next month, coming towards this mainnet launch. In some other news, we also have Monero now being listed on Circle Invest. So last week we had Zcash being listed on Circle Invest. The price action went up for a day or two, but then dropped off. So actually when this news was released, interestingly enough, was around the time of this red candle here. So this shows still some inefficiencies in the cryptocurrency market, with news not being digested straight away. But a couple hours after being released, we are now seeing this price action coming up. And with other news, we have people making comments on Bitcoin versus Bitcoin Cash debate. So Michael Novogratz, the billionaire, came out and saying Bitcoin Core is the real Bitcoin, it's store of value, it's digital gold, its market cap dwarfs Bitcoin Cash. I don't necessarily know how good of a point that, if the market cap dwarfs another market cap, how good of a point this is. But also we have the Whale Panda voicing his support for Bitcoin against Bitcoin Cash as well. So I believe why a lot of people are making these comments in the debate once again is because Bitcoin Cash has announced a hard fork. And with this hard fork, they're going to be increasing their block size from 8 megabytes to 32 megabytes. So that's all the news and market updates for today, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and please stay tuned. Thank you.